𝓕𝓪𝓬𝓲𝓽𝓼, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog, dumayo po kami all the way from San Fernando, Pampanga, papunta dito po sa Bamban, Tarlac. Sa background ko, so we have the sky, mountains, we also have pool, a villa. I wanna show you more. This is Yellow Hills Resort. Di po kayo magsisisi. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Bago tayo pumanik at pumasok doon sa villa natin, gusto kong sabihin guys, paano ba ang papunta dito if you're coming from San Fernando, which is our origin. So from NLEX, pumasok po kaming pa SC Tex. And then ang exit po namin from the SC Tex is yung Dolores. Pag exit nyo po ng Dolores, go straight po kayo ng Bamban Bridge. And then from Bamban Bridge, magle-left po tayo papunta na dito sa Barangay ng San Nicolas. Actually, if you're going to use Google Maps, it's gonna give you an accurate place kung paano pagpunta dito without the hassle. Coming in from the main entrance, bubulaga sa inyo itong napakagandang A-house na to. Actually, para siyang modified A-house. In terms of size, napakalaki niya, and at the same time, meron siyang extension to accommodate more people. So we're gonna get inside. Pakita natin kung ano yung interior. You get this dining table. Ayan, good for 8. And then meron tayo ditong sink, no? On my back, so meron tayo ditong living area, classic style sofa. Meron din tayong piano. Yung access door doon, that is going to the swimming pool area. So dito pa rin sa first level natin, this is one of the rooms. So dito sa room na to, it has like 5 beds. Siguro dito up until 12, 14 persons, pwede itong makapag-accommodate actually. So this is air conditioned. Actually, the entire place is air conditioned. Now, what I like about this place is this. Meron tayong access sa balcony. Look at the balcony. Alright, so this is it. This is the balcony. From here, you have a view of mountains. From here, nakikita akong konti yung Mount Arayat. Mabalacat area is also here. So, very good vantage point. Let's go to the second floor. So, from here, ayan, what I feel here is para siyang Baguio feel. So, yung mga bahay sa Baguio, para siyang ganun. It's wood. Pagkakaiba lang talaga, yung mga puno dito, mga mangga, doon, mga pine trees. So, here it is. There you go. There is the master's bedroom. Extended siguro to if you have a kid. So pwede sila dito, and then the couples are gonna be staying on the main bed. But this is how it looks like. It feels like. Check out this pinaka-comfort room natin. Check this out. Meron tayong jacuzzi. And then the jacuzzi has the view of the mountain range. Look at that. Imagine yourself on that jacuzzi. Alright, so another great spot dito po sa villa is the common area or the family room. So meron tayong dalawang large sofa, and in the middle we have this carpeted floor. Imagine yourself, no, parang having a little drink here or playing board games, telling stories and everything. And then right after that, meron tayong view again ng mountain range dito po sa may Bamban. Look at that, how beautiful, di ba? Wow! Ah, that's the piano. You know how to play? Dito sa spot na to, I think this is one of my favorite spots dito sa resort because you can actually have a view of the mountain ranges dito, ambience nung continuous flowing water. You got a really good breeze of air, napaka-presko. During December, January, and February, sobrang lamig daw dito dahil naka-elevate nga tayo, parang nasa Baguio, ganun. Actually, if you're from Pampanga, if you're from Tarlac itself, no need to travel elsewhere because sa mga ganitong resort po, parang na-experience na natin na nasa ibang lugar ng mga pinapangarap nating puntahan, nandito na pala sa Pampanga, nandito na rin pala sa Tarlac.